Welcome to Mount Olympus, the mythical abode of the Greek gods and the highest peak in Greece. Towering at 2,917 meters above sea level, this majestic mountain is steeped in ancient mythology and natural beauty. Mount Olympus is located in the northern region of Greece, known as Thessaly, near the Aegean Sea. It holds tremendous significance in Greek culture, being the legendary dwelling place of the 12 Olympian gods, including Zeus, Hera, Athena, and Poseidon. The mountain's allure extends beyond mythology, as it offers breathtaking landscapes and diverse ecosystems. The lower slopes are adorned with lush forests of pine, oak, and beech trees, while higher elevations boast alpine meadows and rocky terrains. The rare and protected species of flora and fauna found here make Mount Olympus a designated national park and a UNESCO Biosphere Reserve. For adventure enthusiasts, trekking, the most popular trail is the Enopia's Gorge route, providing a challenging but rewarding journey through stunning gorges and waterfalls. For those seeking a less demanding hike, the Panoramic Trail offers remarkable views of the surrounding valleys and peaks. Visiting Mount Olympus is not only an opportunity to connect with nature but also to delve into the rich Greek mythology. Throughout the area, you'll find ancient temples, shrines, and archaeological sites dedicated to the worship of the gods. As you ascend, the landscape transforms into a mystical realm, where the gods were believed to dwell in grandeur and power. It's a chance to immerse yourself in the tales of old and gain a deeper understanding of ancient Greek civilization. In conclusion, Mount Olympus is a captivating blend of myth and reality, a natural wonder that stands as a testament to Greece's cultural heritage and awe-inspiring landscapes. Whether you're an avid hiker, history enthusiast, or nature lover, this iconic mountain has something magical to offer to all who venture to its peaks. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel Tour with Pour.